Hello guys, I'm Cambridge English teacher Rory from studentlanguages.com, and today's video is going to be the fourth episode in my keyword transformations series. If you would like to watch the rest of the videos from this series, then I will put a playlist to the keyword transformation videos above me. If you guys have any comments about how I could improve these videos, or if you have any suggestions for other videos you would like me to make, then please write me a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Also, if you want to help my channel grow and help more students find my work, then click like, but also subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will help my channel to grow and therefore more students can find my work. And don't forget to watch until the end of this video, because at the end I'm going to show you how you can access an FCE or CAE video course completely free. Also, at the end of the video I'm going to set you some homework to do, so make sure you watch until the end of the video to see that. So I'm going to show you an example question, and then I'm going to help one of my students from a real live lesson complete this question. After that, I'm going to show you some useful tips that I use to help my students successfully pass this part of the exam.
Pitch isn't dry enough to play on. The pitch isn't dry enough to play. The pitch means the field, right? So the ground.
Yeah, like a it depends on the sport. We have football pitch, rugby pitch, hockey
Basketball?
pitch, basketball. Which one? Basketball or baseball?
Baseball.
Baseball. I don't think it's a pitch. I think baseball is. I don't know, because it's American, so I'm not so used to hearing people talk about baseball. Maybe it is. Maybe it's a pitch. I know in baseball they use the word pitch for a different meaning, because I think there is a specific part in the game baseball which they call a pitch. I think actually the pitch is when you throw the ball in baseball. I think they call it a pitch.
Okay, so in that case I'm wrong. So I was thinking about the place where you are kicking. Well, not kicking. You are
Running or
there when you are running to the pitch.
Yeah. Or maybe the pitch is the place. Anyway, for English sports like football and rugby, it's the field. It's the campo.
Okay.
You say campo in
Okay,
Spanish?
general, yes.
In general, yeah.
Okay, pitch isn't dry enough to play on. Okay, so the pitch is too wet to play on.
Yeah. Nice.
Okay guys, so I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to help other students find my work, remember to press like and also subscribe to my channel. After you subscribe, you can also press the bell notification, and then you can receive emails every time I make a new video. And if you are preparing for the FCE or CAE exam, that could be a really useful thing to do. If you would like more useful tips and tricks like this, I will put a video above me showing you the best strategy to use for this part of the exam. But also I would recommend watching the other videos in this playlist because you will find lots of useful tips throughout. So I look forward to seeing you in a few days with my next video. But before then, here is a video showing you how you can access an FCE or CAE video course for free. So watch this video, sign up for your free course, and I will see you in a few days. I've been Cambridge English teacher Rory from studentlanguages.com. Bye bye.